Hi everyone, my name is Sabrina Beatriz and my metric number is 76679. I am the first presenter for my group and our group will present about the types of symbiosis. There are 6 types of symbiosis, which is commensalism, mutualism, predation, parasitism, neutralism, and competition. I am going to explain the first 2 types of symbiosis, which is commensalism and mutualism. Commensalism is a relationship when 2 different organisms in which one organism will gain benefits and the other will stay unaffected. For example, tree frogs and plants. Tree frogs usually gain protection from plants from any harm and plants doesn't get any benefits from that relationships. Let's move to the other one, mutualisms. Mutualism is a relationship with 2 different organisms in which each of them will gain the benefits. For example, sea anemone and clownfish. Clownfish gain protection by using sea anemone as their homes, and sea anemone gain protection from being eaten by the smaller fish.
Greetings everyone. My name is Hannah Irene anak Lannon. My matriculation number is 77295. Today, I will be presenting another 2 types of symbiosis, which are predation and parasitism. I will start off with predation. Predation is a mechanism in which an organism, known as the predator, feeds on another living organism known as the prey. For example, jaguars. Jaguars are opportunistic hunters and can prey upon almost anything they come across. Capybaras, deers, iguanas, armadillos, fish, birds, and monkeys are just some of the prey that jaguars eat. The second one will be parasitism. Parasitism is a symbiotic relationship in which one species benefits while the other one is harmed. Some parasites live on the surface of the host, while some live on the inside of the host. I'll give you an example. The parasitic plants. The parasitic plants grow and obtain their organic food from other living organisms. This is best represented by Cuscuta. Now, Cuscuta is a rootless, yellow-colored, slender stem with small scale leaves which twines around the host. The parasite develops small, adventitious sucking roots, also known as hostoria, which enter the host and make contact with the phloem and xylem of the host to absorb ready-made food. Figure A shows a portion of parasite twining around the stem of the host. In the intrusive phase, based on Figure B, Cuscuta develops a specialized organ called hostorium. And that is all from me. Thank you for paying attention.
Hi, my name is Rachael Hansen and my matrix number is 76595. As we continue, the term neutralism may be used to describe interaction in which both species are unaffected. For example, the relationship between Bactrian camel and long-tailed tadpole shrimp. These 2 species have minimal interaction and do not affect each other Darwinian fitness. The last example of symbiosis that I will explain today is competition, the struggle among organisms for the same limited resources in an ecosystem. Competition can happen between 2 different species, which is known as interspecific competition, and between same members of species, which is known as intraspecific competition. An example of interspecific competition is the relationship between corals and sponge. Sponges are very abundant in coral reef. If they become too successful, however, they take needed resources from the corals that make up the reef. Sponge may outcompete corals for the resources in short time, but if too many corals die, the sponge itself becomes damaged. In conclusion, without symbiosis in nature, many ecosystems would suffer and cease to flourish. That's all from me. Thank you.